guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video and my special guest is Allie.
Hey y'all.
Okay, so today we'll be doing an install using our virgin hair. This is a lace front wig. Today we're just gonna be installing this wig and giving her curls, and we're gonna switch it up a little bit. You know, this is not really Allie. Y'all can see she got her face beat by Sadiddy Faces, located in Houston, Texas. So today I will be using this hair vendor called Virgin Hair Extensions. Their quality hair is great. I also bleached this wig. It was black, and I bleached it this color. It's like a little honey brown, right? Like honey brown. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch this whole video. Do not skip, and make sure after this video y'all press the thumb up button and comment down below what you think of this install. Interact with me. I gotta engage so I can post more videos for you guys. Tell me what y'all want is what do y'all want to see next. I'll post it. I'll make the video and I'll post it. Yeah.
And subscribe to my girl channel.
No, for real. Y'all can't just be watching and not subscribing and not liking. Y'all gotta press that like button
and that notification bell.
Yes. And today we'll be using Ghost Bond XL to lay this wig down. The wig is not on yet and it look like it's on. That's what you call quality. Y'all see that lace? Like, do y'all see that? And make sure when y'all apply this glue, make sure y'all lay it down really smooth and there's like no chunks of it. You don't want when you lay this wig and you see like chunks of glue. So make sure you lay out really smooth. Make sure you lay out really smooth so it could dry really nice. When this glue is dry, y'all gonna see. And I'm gonna use 4 layers. Okay, you could use as much layers as you want to. Sometimes I use up to 6 layers. It all depends on my client's skin. You have some clients that have oily skin, dry skin. I prefer dry skin because that's when it's gonna really last. When you have oily skin and you sweat a lot, your wig lift up faster. And that's why I recommend an elastic band to put over your lace when you're going to sleep, just so it can last a little longer. Do y'all see the way her glue dried up very clear? You don't see no chunks of glue. You don't see nothing at all. So now I'm gonna add my second layer. I'm gonna do the last 2 layers off the camera, but you guys get the process. Okay, so I'm gonna place this wig right on the glue and have her stretch it down on both sides until I'm done sewing it down. Go on the couch.
Stop calling me, I'm so busy.
Do y'all see this? And make sure like when you're cutting your lace, you don't cut it like straight across, because it will look like a tape line. Comment down below if you like this color on her, because it's giving Beyonce. Some people be real lazy. Some people be real lazy and they don't glue the little pieces down. They'll just spray the got to be glue spray. That causes the lace to lift up faster. I'm just letting y'all know right now for the lazy hairstylist that's watching. So I'm using my T3 curling iron, you guys. This is the best curling iron, I swear. Like, once you get this curling iron, your curls finna look flawless, bouncy. And I use the Sebastian spray. You will know a hair is good quality when you're curling it. Like, you'll see how the curls hold. Like, do y'all see how her curls look? Like, do y'all see this? That's how you will know if the hair is good quality. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to finish curling this off the camera just so I can finish, because she has to go. So we're gonna curl this off camera and I will show y'all the finished touch after. So make sure you watch this video. I hope you guys are taking notes, because I'm really just dropping germs for y'all. Y'all just have to listen. I said it wrong?
I said germs.
Oh, I said germs. You guys, I messed up, okay? I meant to say GEM. So they'll get it. By watching my videos, y'all know that I'm Haitian. We can't really pronounce stuff good. We don't be knowing stuff. Y'all just gotta listen. No, for real. Not my client trying to correct me. Like, you supposed to just sit in there like minding your business. Not her trying to correct me, y'all. Like, tell her don't come for me. For real. Y'all see this curl? Do y'all see this? That's what you call quality hair.